Imagine you wake up 21 days from now. Your mind feels lighter. No more endless scrolling. No more racing thoughts. No invisible weight holding you back. You're calm. You're clear. You're in control. Now, what if I told you this transformation isn't magic? It's biology. And it's something anyone can do, starting today. In this video, I'm going to share the exact science-backed formula to reset your brain in just 21 days. And there's one secret that no one talks about: the hidden habits that silently sabotage your progress. Stay with me till the end, because on day 15, I'll reveal the point of no return. The moment your brain locks in a new identity. Let's dive in. The first step is destruction. Before you build something new, you have to break the old patterns. Scientists call this synaptic pruning. Your brain literally deletes unused connections to save energy, which means if you stop giving attention to toxic thoughts and habits, your brain erases them. Here's how. Step 1. The brain audit. Today, spend 10 minutes writing down the 3 thoughts you think most often. Most people find that 80% of their mental energy is recycled worry, regret, or self-criticism. Simply being aware of these loops is the first step to breaking them. Step 2. Pattern interrupts. Every time you catch yourself in that loop, say out loud, "Not this story." This simple verbal cue wakes up your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that overrides autopilot. Step 3. Dopamine detox. Cut out instant dopamine spikes. Like binge-watching short videos, eating junk food, or mindless scrolling, your brain will crave these. And that's the point. You're starving the old wiring. By day 5, you'll notice a strange silence in your head. That's your old programming losing power. Hold on to that feeling. Now we build. But this is the dangerous middle zone. Your brain hates change. It will try to pull you back. Day 8, identity anchoring. Don't just say, "I want to wake up early." Say, "I am the kind of person who wakes up early." Your brain works to prove your identity true, so use that against your old self. Days 9 and 10. Habit stacking. Attach new habits to existing ones. For example, after brushing your teeth, meditate for 2 minutes. This piggybacks on your brain's existing circuits, making change easier. Day 11. The vision script. Write a 1-page story of your life as if it's already 90 days in the future. Read it every morning. This activates your brain's reticular activating system, the filter that finds opportunities matching your new identity. Days 12 to 14. Small wins avalanche. Celebrate tiny victories. Every win releases dopamine, but now it's tied to growth, not distraction. By day 12, you'll feel a strange energy. That's neuroplasticity, your brain forming new pathways. Welcome to the point of no return. Your brain has begun rewiring, but if you stop now, you'll slide back. We're going to cement this new identity. Days 15 and 16. Environmental mastery. Change one thing in your physical environment that signals the new you. It could be small, like rearranging your desk, or big, like changing your social circle, because environment shapes behavior more than willpower. Days 17 and 18. Emotional anchoring. Pair your new habits with strong, positive emotions. For example, play your favorite epic soundtrack while doing deep work. Your brain will crave the habit because it associates it with that feeling. Day 19. The no option rule. Remove your backup plan. If your brain thinks you might fail, it will. Burn the ships. Day 20. Teach it. Share what you've learned with someone else. Teaching locks in your own neural pathways. Day 21. Identity sealing ritual. Perform one symbolic act to declare your transformation. Maybe delete old toxic contacts, or write a letter to your past self and burn it. By day 21, your brain's default mode network has a new baseline. You've literally become a different person. 21 days ago, you were running the same old code. Today, you're the programmer. But here's the truth. The 21 days is just the beginning. At 66 days, these habits become automatic. At 90 days, they become your identity. So here's my challenge. Don't just watch this video. Start today, right now. In 3 weeks, look in the mirror and ask yourself, who is this person? And smile, because you'll know the answer. Your new life starts now.